The topic of today's video is how to get a Stockx refund. So here we are on the Stockx website. Warning in advance, I haven't bought anything, but I will get you set up. So what you want to do is go to the profile icon on the top right. And in there, you want to click on buying. Now this is going to bring up your buying history. You'll see I have nothing here, but all your purchase history will show up here. Just make sure you are on the history tab. Now, if you buy so much that you can't see it on this page, you can just hit search and find the item, click on that. And now it's pretty simple. I'm just bringing this up because I, again, haven't bought anything from Stockx, but all you need to do is click on that item. It'll bring up the details and you just need to click the start return button and the process will begin. I believe there is a form and they're going to ask you a couple of questions. Fill that out and the process will officially begin. And then they'll provide you with a shipping label. You should box it up. Make sure it's as neat as possible. And do consider jumping onto the returns policy here. Do consider liking and subscribing as well. And I'll see you in the next video.